Welcome to part 1 of a 3-part series to explore the Swissbit iShield Key Manager. In this video, we will review the administrative capabilities for the FIDO2 applet on the iShield key. All iShield keys may be accessed by the iShield Key Manager through USB-A, USB-C, and NFC interfaces. The FIDO2 applet is installed on all iShield Key FIDO and iShield Key Pro security keys. On Windows devices, the iShield Key Manager must be run as an administrator due to Microsoft security policies. Once you run the iShield Key Manager as an administrator, you will notice the FIDO2 card in the top right-hand corner becomes active. The main screen presents the number of registered passkeys, the AA GUID for this device model, and the version for the FIDO2 applet. To view your registered passkeys and the associated relying parties, click the Browse button and authenticate to your iShield using your PIN. You may navigate back to the primary interface by using the back arrow icon. Click the Details and Settings button at the bottom of the FIDO2 card to perform advanced administration of the FIDO2 applet. As before, the Browse button is available to reveal the registered passkeys on your iShield key. The FIDO2 applet maintains its own unique PIN for all passcodes. Here you may set your PIN, and if a PIN has already been set, you may change your PIN by clicking the Change PIN button. Another important feature of the Change PIN option is the ability for pre-configuring a PIN, then requiring the user to change their PIN upon first use. Simply activate the Force PIN slider to perform this operation. You may also perform a full factory reset on the FIDO2 interface. Per the FIDO spec, you must remove and reinsert your iShield Key Pro to perform a reset. This will delete all passkeys and the PIN associated with the FIDO2 applet. Please check out the other 2 videos in the iShield Key Manager series.